How to fix the Google Chrome download failed because a virus was detected error. Now, to go and fix this, there's a couple of things we need to do. The first step is to open up the Start menu on your computer, go and search for Windows Security, and then click on this window here. In the left-hand side, select Virus and Threat Protection, and then scroll down and click on Manage Settings. Now go and turn off the real-time protection, and you also want to turn off the dev drive protection as well. Now, you can always re-enable this once you've downloaded your file. So now we can just close out of this window. In your Google Chrome browser, click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right-hand side, scroll down and then click on Settings. Click on Privacy and Security, scroll down to Security and click on this. And underneath Safe Browsing, make sure No Protection is turned on, and then just select this Turn Off button. Now, once you've done that, that should have solved the issue. Now, if it's still not working, the last solution is just to come back over to these 3 vertical dots. You can then click on Extensions and select Manage Extensions. Now just go and disable any extensions that you currently have enabled. Sometimes these can cause conflicting issues with the browser, and that may be another reason why you're getting this error. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.